This is our food processor that we use for slicing vegetables. It works really well, especially if you're trying to slice cheese or shred cheese. It comes with different blades that you can interchange. Allows you to flip sides so that you can get different sizes of your cuts that you're looking to process. But the bolt itself locks in place. This is the 8-cup option here. And as you can see, it has several different settings, low, high, you can pulse. And again, like I said, we use this here primarily for vegetables that we're looking to slice up, but it works really well when we're looking to shred cheese. When we want to buy blocks of cheese instead of shredded cheese, we can make our own easily with this food processor here by Cuisinart.